hot, hot, hot. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Mmm. Oh yeah. So I consider this to be the king of toasted sandwiches. I love this one so much. What we have here is smoked paprika and cumin grilled chicken, grilled eggplants, parmesan, mozzarella, cheddar, onions, and tomatoes. What more could a man want? Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at our chicken. Now what I've got here is chicken breast with no skin and no bone, and I've cut it that way across so it's nice and thin, you know, you can see. Just like that. What we're going to do is get that in a bowl, add some spices. Okay, so I've got that chicken that I sliced nice and thin in a bowl. Got like a couple of teaspoons of garlic, going to put that in. We're going to add some salt and some black pepper. I've got 2 teaspoons here of cumin powder, and then the same amount of this smoked paprika, which I absolutely love. That's the stuff I'm using. I really love it. To that, olive oil. Just a little glug. You can see I've got my sexy glove on. We're just going to go and work that in, and then we're going to get over to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a pan here. Now I've got one of these pans. It's completely, you know, neither here nor there. Don't worry about it if you don't got that, you haven't got that. Simply we're going to drop our chicken in. I'm going to go like sort of 3 or 4 minutes aside on a high heat. It's all very thin, so it will cook really quickly, and I'm going to be flipping it a few times. Okay, off goes the heat. You've got some beautiful, beautiful chicken. Let's just set that aside, and then we can move on. Okay, so this is what's going to go in this lovely sandwich. Now you saw me cook those very fast at the beginning. So salt, pepper, olive oil, just fried them in the pan. There's our chicken, which I've now sliced. And then what we've got, I've got some onion, cut nice and thin in rounds, tomato, the same, and then a bit of parmesan, bit of mozzarella, bit of cheddar, delicious. So I've got 4 slices of this bread, and as you can see, I'm brushing on melted butter. Now if you want, you can just get some soft butter and knife it on there, spread it on there, but I like the brush effect because I can really get into all of the corners, give it a nice coating. So let me do that, and then I'll be back. So, butter side up, no, butter side down. We want the butter on the outside to give a nice golden effect. Here we go, we're going to build this now with some chicken. So it's a nice thick layer of chicken on there. Next up, we're going to use one of the cheeses. I'm going to go for some cheddar here. Then I'm going to go with the onion, and again I'm going to be quite generous with this. Then I'm going to go mozzarella cheese. Then I'm going to go with the grilled eggplant. And then tomato, as you can see. This is very, very hefty. Very hefty. Bit of Parmesan. Little bit of cheddar left, tiny amount, don't want to waste that. Then some black pepper. It's a beast. Okay, and then we're going to get our 2 slices of bread. Butter side up, on that goes. Butter side up, on that goes. Let's get that in the grill. So I've got one of these George Foreman type sandwich press grills. You know, it's actually a Black & Decker, not a George. You know? And I've got that on maximum heat. Once it gets nice and hot, we're going to pop that sandwich in. Okay, so that's warmed up nicely. Let's grab this sandwich. Now they're really hefty. In that goes. In that goes. Going to be closing that down. I'll give it a little push. It's going to be about 4 minutes for me. Okay, the moment of truth is sounding good. Let's have a look. Oh, whoa, wow, 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 wee wah. Oh yeah, that is looking fabulous. Okay, let me get these guys out onto the chopping board. Look at that. Okay, let's do the test. That's a lovely, isn't it? Let's get in there. Oh, that's a beauty. That is beautiful, beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. And that, for me, is the king of sandwiches. I love that one. I really, really do. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.